In this exercise, we'll find the median and the mode, the numbers 1, 1, 3, 5, and 3. In order to find the median, we need to arrange the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Doing that, I have 1, 1, 3, 3, and 5. This will also help us find the mode later on. The median is the middle number in the list. Since there are 5 numbers, which is an odd number, there will be a middle number. The middle number in the list is 3. So the median is 3. The mode is the number or numbers that occur most often in the list. The number 1 occurs twice, the number 3 occurs twice, the number 5 occurs once. So for this, we actually have 2 modes, 1 and 3.